Ladies and gentlemen, now with me is Miss Shivalika Patil, Head People Practices at Sudarshan Chemical Industries Limited. A very warm welcome to you, ma'am, and congratulations for winning this award. Please let us know the feeling that you have right now.
On behalf of Sudarshan Chemical Industries Limited and the leadership member of Sudarshan, extremely delighted to receive this award the second time. Last year we got this award for our case study which we had presented on women empowerment, and this year we have got it across on the waste management project. Sudarshan Chemical's larger purpose is growing together by being spiritually fulfilled, socially just and environmentally sustainable. So for us, socially just part is what we contribute through sustainability. And under sustainability, we work on 4 pillars: women empowerment, for which we got recognized last year. And then the second pillar is around environment, in which we presented waste management and we got recognized this year. And the other pillars are around education and health. So the whole concept is around how can we really reduce the carbon footprint. We are a chemical industry, and there is always a possibility of creating large carbon footprints, but our endeavor is how we can reduce it. We work in the villages through Ideal Village model around our plants, and the whole issue is around the waste which gets thrown across in the river, the Kondalika river, which is around us. So we have actually, through our kitchen waste management project, we have prevailed on the villages and ensured that that doesn't get spoiled. And in this manner, the whole villages have become very clean. And also from the waste management project, there are manure which gets generated. So overarchingly, Sudarshan has impacted close to about 75,000 employees through about 5,000 households. And that's what we have been doing.
Ma'am, what are your views on Gandhiji?
Well, my personal views are that charity begins at home, but larger Sudarshan has values, 5 values, which are, SCCRT as we call it. So our first value is Seva as an organization. Seva, courage, commitment and passion, respect and trust. So for our organization, Seva, which is also Gandhiji's value, is a value which we follow. And here we talk about Atithi Devo Bhava and contribution to the society, and that's the way of life. And personally for me, I belong to a Gandhian family. My father wore Gandhi he wore khadi all his life and contributed his life towards work in the society. So it's personally a delight moment for me because of receiving Gandhi and having him with me in my life and empowering me for my work to do.
Thank you so much for talking to us, and many congratulations once again for winning this award. Thank you.
Thank you.